Assalamu alaikum, class 3, day 9. Open your English grammar book, page number 7, lesson number 1. Proper noun. Proper noun is the name of a special person, place, thing, or animal. Proper noun begin with a capital letter. Look here. Sally is a naming word, so S is capital John, capital Sri Lanka. These are proper noun. Okay, look, let us understand. Write the proper nouns with capital letters. Do on book, not in the notebook. A big mall called the Riverdale Mall has opened in the small town of Bedford. Write capital B and write M capital here also. There are 3 other important buildings in this township. Write capital T. The Glendales, write G capital, hospital. Okay. The intercity, write capital I, metro, M capital, station, S capital, and the Greenwood School, write capital G, capital S. There is a small bookshop called Reader's Den, write capital D. It belongs to Peter, write capital P because it's naming word. He believes that books are our best friends. Okay, next exercise, practice. In the list given below are mixed words. Identify the proper noun only and write first letter capital of them. Hill, it's a common noun. Country, it's also a common noun. Alaska, this is proper noun. Hospital, common noun. Europe, it's a special name, country name. Asia, capital. City, not village, it's a common noun. Scotland, write capital S. New York, write capital Y and N. London, write capital L. Do on book,